Hello there. This is a teaching on cash book. We will be looking at how do you enter transactions into the cash book and then how do you close off the cash book. Please do bear in mind in the cash book we will always assess what item is coming in and what item is going out. Are you receiving money or are you paying out money? If you are receiving money, you will debit the cash book. So the slogan that says debit the receiver, credit the giver, it always ever works in the cash book. You will credit your payments and you will debit your receipts. You will find that the cash book is under the debt. It is an asset to you. So when it is increasing, you will debit the cash book, and when it is reducing, you will credit the cash book. Let's look at an exercise. You are required to set up and record the following transactions into the cash book. Bank column only for the month of March 20x1. The opening balance, bank £460 overdraft. Because it is overdraft, you didn't have money in your bank account, it implies to me that it is a liability and that is going on to the credit side. So 1 March. On the credit side, I will have balance BD 460. Receipt from Yale Limited. Money is coming into your hands of £322 from Yale Limited. We want to throw that onto the debit side. So 7th of March from Yale Limited, 322, money coming in. Payment to Barnet High, a supplier, £183, and the check number has been given to you. You are now paying, so you will credit the cash book. So I go onto the credit side of the cash book, and in there I want to put in the date, 11 March, the check number, and who did you pay? Okay, so you have seen me deal with the first 3 items. We want you to deal with the rest. That is to say, identify which items will you debit, which items will you credit, all the way down. So drop your T account, your simple format, and start debiting and crediting, and then of course check your figures against ours. So I will say to you, pause the recording and then see yourself walk through the exercise and compare your figures afterwards. So after posting my transactions and doing my calculations, I now have this as my cash book. I hope you remembered to add 20% VAT to the sales that took place there, because the question said plus VAT at 20%. So 20% of your net amount, you add that onto it, you will get 1536. By the time I finish doing the postings, I then add the totals of the debit. It came to 2905. I added the totals of the credit and it came to the figure that is less, which was 2735. So I got the difference, which is 170, to bring the total on the credit side to 2905, so that the totals will be the same on the debit and the credit. And of course that becomes my balance CD. If I have balance CD on the 31st of March, which is the end of the month, I will have balance BD on the other side at the beginning of the next accounting period, which is the 1st of April. Balance BD 170, the same amount as I closed with. Notice it's not the same total, it is the same closing balance 170. I hope this has been useful. The rest of it is practice ongoing. Please do not forget, follow us on all the social media platforms, like us, follow us, connect with us. And if you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Adios.